Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace the speakers in the dash, guys, right here by the windshield. Often, guys, when those speakers go bad, they'll get really noisy. When the bass hits, they will vibrate. This is because, guys, they're often hit by sunlight, and that sunlight actually burns them and it causes damage. So those are the speakers that you have to replace more often. Stay with us and we'll cover everything from start to finish today. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, guys, we make at least 200 videos. Our goal here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to, guys, buy new speakers, replacement parts, any of the tools that we use, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get all that for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So let's show you guys what we'll be doing here now. Okay, the speakers, guys, are right here on the dash. You can see really hard to get to, guys, by the way. It takes a little bit of knowing how to do that so you don't crack your dash. You have to be extremely careful because if the car is an older car or being exposed to more sunshine, what could happen actually, that cover can break there. So we'll come from the outside. Okay, we'll video almost everything from the outside, guys. But right here, let me just show you. I'll start on this side. I come like that with a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, and if I cannot get underneath it, what I do, okay, I'm going to remove that cover here. It has only 5 clips. Then I can get here, guys, underneath with a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, and start popping that thing loose. Now, we'll video, guys, okay, from right here, what I'll be doing next. You can see I start moving it. Okay, there is multiple clips. Okay, there is a little bit of reflection, so I'm trying to see what is the best case scenario. Okay, like that. Okay, perfect, just like that. Okay, so you can see a little bit of what is happening, otherwise it's almost impossible, guys. Now right here I'm going to come, there is a few more clips, okay, that you need to pop loose. Here you have speaker cover, more clips. I'll show you where each one of the clips is located, guys, okay, once we remove that. So let me go to the other side now. Okay, we'll be okay, let's hold the camera on this side now so I can show you guys. Okay, you can see how it came loose on the front already. We just need to do a little bit more now. Okay, I need to grab the tool again, come here. Okay, perfect. Now I can grab that cover, guys, and you think that it's gonna come out, right? Okay, it's acting like it's going to come out, but it's stuck, guys, where it's stuck. Now we're going to do a little bit of investigation and figure it out from what it seems. So let me check it out quick. So what is getting stuck now? Right here there is one plastic that you need to push down, guys. Okay, push down and pull it out after that. Okay, same thing applies on this side here now. Okay, I got stuck a little bit. Okay, so I'll push it in, pull it out, guys. Now, okay, you can see, guys, the trim piece is coming loose. Definitely looks okay, way better than what we had before. We're still holding on the other side a little bit, okay, right here. So I need to go ahead and do this one quick. Okay, the only thing holding now is the wire. I think this is the compass wire right here in the middle. Press in and release, guys. And from what it seems, we should be able to come out. Okay, you can see the whole cover is out. The only thing that we have left, one seal came out as well on the front. This is the seal. We'll explain, guys, okay, how to install that one as well. So let's show you where all the clips are located now. So now, guys, let me explain what we need to do here quick. We need to install our seal. Okay, this seal actually stays on this one. Okay, on this one right there. So okay, let me see exactly which way it is. It's cut this way, so it should be like that. Okay, it's made that way, so it goes in the canal here. So later this one will not vibrate, guys. Okay, perfect. Now let us show you where all the clips are, guys, so you know what to expect. I will reposition it here. Let me grab the camera quick. All the clips, guys. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips holding that piece in place. And here, okay, you can see now you have the right here you have, guys, your speakers. You have 1 speaker, 2 speakers right there, guys, and the 3rd speaker is over there. So we'll demonstrate on one of the speakers. All of them are the same way, guys. 7mm socket that we need. I'll go on the inside while one person is holding the camera so he can see what is happening there, because otherwise it's impossible, guys. And all we have to do now, okay, just remove the 2. Okay, I need to turn that thing actually. We need to turn to get them loose. 2 screws on each speaker, guys. And careful not to break your windshield as you go too. So once I get them loose, they tend to go by hand. Okay, pretty easy. At least so far. We hope that's the case with the second one, because unexpected things sometimes do happen. Yep, this one is not going easy, but this one is put sideways. And this car hasn't been taken apart there, I think, so maybe in the factory they just got that screw sideways a little bit, so as a result it's a little bit tight. Okay, this one is out. Now I'll grab the speaker, pull it out. The only thing that we have here is the wiring harness that we need to disconnect by pressing in here and pulling out. And this is, guys, okay, the speaker out of here. You can see just like that. All the other ones are the same way as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.